Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am swatching some lips and I'm so excited to do so. I am swatching all 12 shades of the CoverGirl Queen Collection Major Shade Matte Lipsticks. It is this bottom row here, and a huge thank you to CoverGirl for sending me. They sent me this huge PR package and I literally sat on the floor and cried. So if you haven't seen that vlog, I'll put it up here for you guys to check out. I literally couldn't even finish like a little clip. I was bawling like a baby because it just felt like something was paying off. So I'm really excited to share these with you guys. So I'm gonna swatch all of these on my lips. They are a matte formula, so I don't know what my lips are gonna look like after this, but we're gonna make it work. And I'm gonna go literally from left to right and just go through every single shade with you. And that way you guys can see if it's something you'd like to pick up. So if you wanna see me swatch all 12 of these Queen Collection Major Shade lipsticks, then just keep watching. So first I'm gonna give you guys a little peek at what they look like. So that is the component there, nice and sleek with the black and gold. They are called Major Shade and they are a matte formula. The very first one is the shade Cakewalk, which looks like it's going to be a pretty nude for me. So I'm going to pull it out. I have to smell it. Is that weird? That smells like something I know. It has a nice light scent. There's nothing crazy about it. Let's go ahead and put it on. It kind of smells apple cinnamon to me. Is that weird? But I like it. The next shade is called Insider and it looks like it's going to be a little bit more pinky brown type of nude. So I'm excited for this one. So that is the shade Insider. I love this as a nude on me personally. I think it would work with so many skin tones. It's a little bit more of a cooler nude, which I personally really like, whereas the first one was a little bit more warm. And I have to say this formula is very moussey in consistency. It's very lightweight on the lips. It's already pretty dry and I'm trying to like press my lips together to see what's going on. It's not cracking or becoming crusty, so I am really liking it. The next shade is called Rebel, which looks like this really pretty like mauvey brown. I am living for it. So let's try on Rebel. This one's a little less opaque than the others, so I did go ahead and dip in a second time. That's the shade Rebel. I am loving this formula. It's really grabbing even on the inner like part of my lip. It's super smooth. It's staying in place. Doesn't feel dry. I really like this color too. Ooh, that one and Insider are definitely my two favorites so far. The next shade is called Clean Slate and it's more of a taupey brown. So it looks like it's got a little bit of gray in it. I'm excited to see what it looks like though. That one's definitely a little bit out of my comfort zone. So there is the color Clean Slate. I don't mind this at all. The only thing with this one, it is a little patchy, if you can see, but sometimes when they dry, it tends to dry a little bit better. And as you saw, I kind of layered that one up. So that's my only thing about this one is it just seems to not really lay evenly. And when I tried to like build it up in certain areas, it kind of took it away. But the great thing is you can layer and layer and it still doesn't feel heavy. Because as you can see, I went in a couple of times. It still feels really light on the lips. All right, let's jump into this like berry red, which is called Wedding Crasher. There is Wedding Crasher and I love this color. Look at it. Look how white Monty look. I really love this one. It's not 100% opaque, but it applied really, really evenly. So if you look closely enough, you can see a little bit of the lip underneath, but it's gorgeous that way. It looks very like velvet satin. Now I'm gonna try out the shade Bay, which is this one. It's like a corally orange. I really like this color too. I am feeling summer vibes so hard. So this I can see with maybe a more neutral eye, but oh, so pretty. I love that. That is the shade Bay. Now we're gonna try out the shade Flamingo, which is truly a flamingo pink. Look at that. I think that's gonna be a really, really fun one. So let's put it on. Is Flamingo. I am liking this pink. This is the shade Major Moment, which is this really fun bright purple. So let's try her on. So this is the shade Major Moment. Again, just a little streaky in application, but a really pretty color. The next shade is a deep blue called No Chill. I'm excited to try this, but I'm not excited about taking it off because then I've got 3 more shades that are super dark. So we're gonna put them to the test. Let's see what it does. So I want to show you guys up close. Unfortunately, this one is definitely more streaky, but I'm going to try to build it up and see what it looks like. Okay, I'm not loving this color on me, and it's really not so much the color, it is the formula. So this I'm trying to build up. I just cannot get it to go evenly. It doesn't look bad from afar. It definitely kind of looks cute if you like dark colors. But unfortunately for me, it's just going on pretty streaky. And every time I try to really lay some more product down, like I have this, you guys can probably see there's a lighter strip right there. And there's only so much you can do. Like if I do like that, it kind of stays. Like I have to be super careful, and then it looks pretty good. See if I can let that dry for a second and hopefully it will stay. So I try, when I press my lips together, it's pulling it apart again. That one's giving me some trouble. Dark shades like that I know are kind of hard to find in a formula that really goes on perfectly. Alright guys, just 3 more shades left. This one is called Sweetest Taboo. It's hard to really see what this one's going to look like because it just looks pretty dark. So I'm trying to make sure I like kind of get it mixed up a little bit just to see if that makes any difference. Because if the pigment is getting somewhat separated, that could cause an issue. I want to be sure I'm giving it a fair shot. It looks like a deep, deep purple. So let's put it on. So that is Sweetest Taboo. Still a little streaky and definitely not applying super evenly. I do like the color. I don't know, if I go with a thin layer, it looks like that like semi-opaque type of thing where it's kind of sheer in some places. When you try to build it up, it just kind of takes it away, but from a distance, it looks great. Overall, this one's not bad. I tend to like the lighter shades a little bit better. I think those formulas worked out better because, as you know, like sometimes one color can be great and another one can be kind of weird. So I'm gonna say Sweetest Taboo is just okay. Not a bad color for sure. I like deep colors like this, but still a little streaky. The next shade is called Slow Jam. I can't really tell what the color is gonna look like. It just looks super dark. It almost looks a little similar to Sweetest Taboo, but let's put it on and see what it looks like. I think you can skip one of these shades. There is Slow Jam. It's not a huge difference from this one and Sweetest Taboo. This one may be just a little bit, I don't know, a little bit darker. We've got one more shade to try, and that is LBD, which I'm guessing is a pure black shade, but we are gonna check it out. Oddly enough, the black, the deepest of them all, actually applied pretty well. It still needs some time to dry down. It's pretty evenly applied. It is still not 100% opaque. My only gripe with these is that if they were a little bit more opaque, you wouldn't be able to see how streaky they were. Most of the shades I was really happy with. These darker shades are not going to be ones I'm going to reach for all the time anyway, so I can't say that they're that bad. The formula is not the most amazing, but it's pretty good. Especially in some of these shades, I feel like they worked a little bit better for me, and the formula was really good. I actually liked all of these colors and will definitely be wearing them. I'm still going to give these a try out and just see how I can make them work, because as you can see, it's not bad. Definitely is really, really dark on me, but hey, I like a dark lip every now and then. So that is LBD. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all of these lip swatches. If you have any questions, then drop them in the comments below. As always, leave this video a thumbs up if you like these lip swatch videos, and also make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you know when I upload. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!